Hi guys, and welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to share YouTube video on Twitter. To start, open your YouTube application in your mobile device. Now the first step to this tutorial is to look for a YouTube video that you want to share over at Twitter. Once you find one, tap on it. Now once everything loads, there will be a share button that appears in the middle. Click share. And then when you tap on it, you can now copy the link or scroll down and then use it as a tweet. Just look for the Twitter logo. Once you do that, it will now be redirected to Twitter. And then it will automatically paste the link for you. All you have to do right now is click on the button that says tweet. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe.